Hey, welcome back into the Fairbanks Evening News for a Monday. Hope you had yourself a good weekend. Mike Schultz once again talking about the weather. Sun came out today. Few scattered showers here and there. I had a report on, I think it was like 8 Mile on Chena Hot Springs Road of hail falling, which it could have been maybe sleet or ice pellets, but it's close to being hail because after all, we did have some lightning in the area on Friday night. Well, that's all out of the picture. We're looking at temperatures warming up through the rest of the week to 50 degrees by this weekend. We'll tell you more about that in just a little bit. Look at this photograph tonight, sent in by Ramon Hernandez in North Pole. This was last Thursday night, April 9th, and look at the gorgeous pictures. The purple is just magnificent. He says right now, if you get out and see northern lights at night, you'll see more purple because the sun is reflecting a lot better. Anyway, a great shot there. And as always, if you have a photograph to share, by all means, send it to photos at ktbf11.com, a rainbow of colors. It's beautiful. Here's your numbers right now. 39 degrees after a high of 41. The low last night, 30. That's pretty warm. Record high, 57 in 1995, down to 23 below in 1992. Sunrise and sunset, 15 hours and 5 minutes. That's a gain of 7 minutes from yesterday. On our satellite and radar, not a whole lot going on. A few scattered showers across the interior. More rain moving across southeast Alaska. Lots of rain there. And like I said, these showers show up on the radar, our local radars. You can zoom in on the Fairbanks area, and you'll see we have just some isolated scattered showers here and there. Nothing really to get excited about. Everything looks like it's moved to the east of the Fairbanks area. What's going on across the rest of the state? Well, there's the rain falling across southeast Alaska. Some of it heavy over Ketchikan, 44 degrees there. Elsewhere across Anchorage, they're looking at partly cloudy skies, scattered showers at Kodiak along the Aleutian chain. Cold Bay checking in with freezing degree temperatures, 32 degrees. And up and down the west coast, kind of chilly at Dome, 17 degrees there. 1 at Barrow and Fort Yukon up to 36. Lower 48 weather looks like this, heading over the west coast. And some showers have returned to the Pacific Northwest once again. Warming up in Las Vegas, 90 degrees there, the same at Phoenix. Thunderstorms rumbling across parts of Texas and the Bayou country. Over the Minneapolis area, just partly cloudy skies. Same for the Chicago area. Over the northeast, a little shower activity in New York, and Miami looking pretty good. Lots of sunshine. On the satellite and radar, you can see these storms cranking up in this area of low pressure here. Some of them may bring some heavy rain and possibly some strong gusty winds. Otherwise, the rest of the country looking pretty good. As you head out to the west, you see a new frontal boundary moving in across the Pacific Northwest. That is expected to move in with a lot of rain tomorrow up and down the west coast. And the overall jet stream expect to take a pretty good dive down to the center part of the country. When this happens, that means there's a pretty good chance of severe weather breaking out, so we're going to have to keep an eye on that as thunderstorms are expected over the deep south. Well, back to Alaska for tomorrow in the northern sections. Cloudy skies in Barrow, mostly sunny skies at Nome, and just partly cloudy skies at Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, we'll be looking at, for the most part, mostly sunny skies with isolated rain showers and snow showers at Delta Junction, also Healy, and maybe in the Fairbanks area. Over southeast Alaska, that's where all the main weather is going to be happening. Rain showers at Juneau, but heavy rain developing at Ketchikan. And out to the southwest, a mixed bag of weather once again. Rain and snow showers at Cold Bay, partly cloudy for Bethel, and rain showers in Kodiak. And down around the Anchorage Bowl, well, it looks like partly cloudy skies in Anchorage, more clouds at Homer, and rain and snow for Valdez. Well, it's a new week, which means once again for our kids' weather, it's a new class. And this week we're going to be talking with the kids from Badger Road Elementary School. And here's a young lady with a story about a pretty good storm.
Hi, my name's Bailey, and I'm in Mr. Dixon's 4th grade class at Badger Road Elementary. Here's a weather story I'd like to tell you. When I was in Florida, Tennessee, we were playing at the park, and there were some rainstorms, and we stayed there, but then the rain started pouring, and the lightning struck, and the park was starting to flood.
Thank you, Bailey, and thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather. Tomorrow night, another young lady will be here with a picture of clouds. All right, your forecast for the remainder of the night. Any snow showers we have should become very wide scattered and isolated. 24 degrees for the overnight low. Tomorrow's forecast, lots of sunshine, but you can't rule out an isolated shower. 42 degrees for the high. And look at the forecast for the 5-day period. Warming up to the low 50s by Saturday and Sunday with daytime highs all the way across the board in the low to mid 40s, mid to upper 40s actually. And overnight lows will also be rising very nicely to 30 degrees by Saturday and Sunday night. And maybe some isolated showers again possible for Friday. And other than that, things are looking good and everything's going to be melting really fast now.